The red button on?
Yep.
Can you see me good?
Yep.
Look at me, my face here.
I am.
Okay, so this is me. I'm gonna get really dizzy. Really dizzy. I'm gonna run across the room. Back. And these slippery socks. Anyways. Here I go. I feel like I'm floating on a cloud. And when I stop, I'm gonna feel like throwing up. That's not a happy feeling.
No
Oh
kidding.
God. Here I go. And cut.